Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Nice movement today. I've done this analysis several times before. I don't remember the last time, but the nice thing about my chart provider eSignal is whenever I put up an annotation, the software remembers where it is, and those annotations definitely play a role into today's video, although I am going to just get rid of that one and house clean. And sure, that level down there pertains, just not relevant. But the big one here that pertains is right here at $1.19, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, $1.19, one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support, when you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price could stay up above $1.22. With that being said, though, if the price does drop below $1.22, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.22, that would be great. But as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Key area of resistance going into Wednesday, going to be nothing fancy about it at all other than the fact that the party stopped today up there at $1.28. So $1.28, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, the resistance levels really don't matter. Why do I say they don't matter? Well, on charts like this, they don't, because what matters the most is what the chart has already been doing. And that is this right here, building those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.